So this is 807 Northmount Drive, and then that's 807A Northmount Drive. And I just, this is it on Northmount Drive. And then, there's a bit of a shed for bicycles. And this is the backyard. And currently we have one vacancy right down there at 8. Welcome to 807 Northmount Drive, the lower unit. So we have about an 800 square foot lower level unit. So you can see fridge, stove, kitchen area, newer window onto Northmount Drive. Our sort of living, dining area. And then this is the entrance. So this is a shared laundry with the upper folks. There's the stairs with your bedroom. And some storage, closet. And in here you have your furnace area. And the study area with a closet. Just put some shelving there for storage. And you have your bathroom. And that's it. See, there's a little park at the back. Lots of parking. And there you have it. Little cul-de-sac.